How to fix Instagram login problem in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is open the settings page on your phone, and then all what you have to do is go to the apps manager and then go to apps. Right here on this page you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. Just scroll until you find Instagram, click on it, and after you click on it, it will take you to this page. It's called app informations. Right here you will find all the informations about your Instagram app. So all what you have to do now on this page is simple. Just make sure to go to the data usage and make sure to enable the Wi-Fi and the mobile data, and then go back, click here on the storage, click on this clear data option, and then all what you have to do now is simple. Just click on this option here, it's called force stop, and after you click on it, now we have the last step to do is just open the Play Store and search for Instagram. And now right here, if you found this update option beside Instagram logo, then click on it to update it, and after that the problem is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the very end.